All right, getting a little more technical here. So, how many total square acres is the Barolo appellation, considering that Burgundy is approximately 70,500, excluding Beaujolais, just to give you something to compare. So, sorry, A, 2,000 acres, B, 5,000 acres, C, 20,000 acres, or D, 60,000 acres.
Okay, I think we landed on a tough one. We haven't, no answers locked in yet, so we'll give folks a couple of more seconds here as they're
Eek,
starting to roll in.
sorry.
Jerry coming in first with answering B. Let's see if anyone else is venturing a guess. Andras is answering C. So we have a vote for 5,000, one for 20,000. So far, those are our only two answers. So don't be shy. Lock in those
Okay,
answers.
I guess this was a hard one.
It is. Okay, so we have a vote for B and a vote for C. And Bill coming in with B. So let's go ahead and we'll go ahead and reveal.
Okay.
Looks like people are a little shy in answering this one. Okay, now they're rolling in fast and furious. So we have the majority voting for B and 3 people voting for A.
Okay, so yes, the answer is B, 5,000 acres, which is super tiny. Again, if you consider Burgundy is 70,000, I mean, for Barolo being such an established, world famous wine, it is such a tiny area. A lot of people just don't realize that. So about the total production of Barolo for the whole entire world is about 13.5 million bottles. So if you put a few big wineries together in the world, that would be all the Barolo in the world. So very, very small.